With the Phonely Call app, you can make and receive your landline calls from your mobile phone. As long as you have an internet or data connection, you can take your landline calls from anywhere. Our app is completely free, available on both iOS and Android, and is included with every one of our Phonely packages, even our most basic plan. Let's have a look at how it all works. Once you sign up with Phonely, you'll receive a welcome email containing your login details for your account, which will look something like this. Then, head over to the Phonely Call app and use these details to log in. The Phonely Call app works very similarly to your regular phone app. To start, you have a keypad where you can dial and call numbers directly. Next, there's a contacts page that contains all the contacts associated with your Phonely account. You can search for your contacts with the bar at the top and can dial them simply by hitting call. Next is the speed dials page. This page is just like the favorites page on iOS. For the contacts that you call often, you can add them to your speed dial page and call them quickly with the touch of a button. To add one of your contacts to speed dial, you can do this via your online portal. To do this, head to the Phonely website and log into your account. Click the Settings drop-down, choose Call App Settings, and then choose the Speed Dial tab. From here, you can select which of your contacts you'd like to be on your speed dial page using the toggle next to their name. You can change the order in which they appear on the page, and also customize the color of the button and text should you wish. Whilst we're here, it's also worth noting the App tabs settings. This allows you to customize the layout of your app by adding or removing the different tabs. This was designed to give your trusted person the option to simplify the app for an elderly relative or loved one and avoid any unnecessary complication. The next page on the app is the History page. This will include all your missed and answered calls and also voicemails, along with the date on which they occurred. All these numbers may be dialed back from this page simply by pressing the green button. Furthermore, if you are on one of our Call Guard packages and have call recording included, you can listen back to your recordings via this page. Simply press, listen, and hit play. Finally, the Settings page just gives you some brief information about the app and also gives you the option to log out should you wish. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, give our UK-based team a call on 0800 112 5000 and don't forget to subscribe to be notified of our future videos.